Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve WhatsApp your message was not sent problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management and click on app list. Scroll down, click on WhatsApp and click on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode. Just few seconds. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.